Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to create custom homepage. Log into the backend. Now go to Content and Shopping Experiences. Click on Create a new layout. Click on Add a block. Select Image as a block category. Drag and drop the block image. Now write down your block name. Fill all the required fields. Click Save. Custom homepage has been created successfully. Fill the name. Now go to block category and select text and images. Now drag and drop the block and rename it. Click Save. Now click on Update button and upload new file. Now click on Update button and upload new file. Repeat the process. Click Save. Now go the backend, categories and catalog. Click on Change Layout. Select the main block and click Save. Now go to Site and refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.